Hi you guys, welcome to 4th of July. We celebrate it here at our house. We're just waiting for my parents to come and we're about to eat breakfast. Yes, we're very festive. I don't know if the hat is a little too much, but we'll see. And we're about to eat breakfast right now, and we got the FIFA cup, so we're gonna see which one we got. I already got one. Baby already got me one, the Grimace, the one I wanted. And as you know, in Instagram I really wanted that one. So today is baby's turn to see which one he got, so we're gonna see right now. All right, baby, so let's go ahead and open up the cup. Which one do you want first? Before we open it, look at tell us, which one do you prefer?
There isn't really one that I want, though.
No?
No, like they're all pretty cool.
You just want not Grimace. You want like a player.
Yeah, I want a different one.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what baby gets. This is so exciting.
Ready?
Yes. You did get a different one. It looks like Mexico.
Yeah, it is Mexico.
Baby, you are all about Mexico, so this is such a good cup for him. You guys, look. I've never seen this one, to be honest.
It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. I was gonna say, like, it looks like Mexico colors, but for sure, I don't know who's the player. Do you know the player? No. We're not that soccer type of people, but I kind of am, but I'm more Messi, Argentina. But this is what we're gonna eat. If you guys haven't tasted the McDonald's smoothie, the strawberry banana is really good. We got a small one. I always get this. This is usually what I get when we do breakfast, which is rare. But I got the breakfast burritos, hash brown. We got this egg muffin, sausage biscuit. So we're about to eat, you guys, before everyone comes, and we're gonna do pool day for the July. I quickly want to show you guys what we have here. We got a table runner, we got some plates, some napkins, our cups. This is gonna be the carne asada. Yes, I know it's 4th of July, but we decided to do something more Hispanic. And then this, we're gonna go ahead and get some grilled corn that we're gonna go ahead and do over there in the cabana, where we're gonna do, it's gonna be more like a pool day. So this is where I'm gonna put all the stuff in this bag. So I'm getting everything ready, but I thought to go ahead and show you what we got. Something simple, but yet I think it's festive. What is your verdict?
This one is more tea.
Or tea? Okay.
Maybe a little bit more sugar. So I'm gonna do like 2 more of these and 1 more of that.
All right, needs more.
That's sweet tea, yeah. Okay.
Sure. Good, you guys. Did good, baby. Good job. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mama.
Bienvenida al 4th of July. Wow, mira, look at this. This is my mommy. Oh, I didn't pienso. You're not on too. Oh. Hi, Edward. This I'll show you. Hi, Daddy. How are you? Stop.
Te dije solo la verde y trae los dos.
Okay, I'm gonna show my parents what we got. They're gonna have a sneak peek. It's here. So we're gonna show them, you guys. Listos?
Yeah.
Uno, one, ready? Two.
No, ese quién es? Ah, es de Argentina, ¿no?
No.
Ronaldo.
No.
Jiménez. Ah, eso es de México.
México, che.
Ese es el Santis. Santis, ¿no es eso?
Jiménez.
Santis.
We like the cracky.
Es Santis. Sí.
Santis Jiménez se llama.
Sí, así
Mira.
se llama.
Santi Jiménez. Sí, ahí dice Jiménez.
Sí, Santis Jiménez.
Stay
to go into the pool, you guys, and we're getting everything ready. We have a bathroom right here, so I already put my hair up. We're getting everything ready. There is my husband waiting for us to go in, and my mom. So it's gonna be my mom, me, and my hubby, and there's my brother and everything. So we're gonna stay right, you guys, that is a wrap. That was our 4th of July. It was a short one. It was a small. I didn't really want to just do so much recording, and I wanted to be present, but the little bits that I got, you guys, I hope you enjoy coming with us, being with us in this 4th of July, our first 4th of July married. It was really nice having my parents, having Jocelyn, like I said, my hubby's cousin over. We had gotten outside. It was just a blessing, you guys. And right now I'm about to go get ready for bed. Baby's finishing up getting ready for tomorrow, as he's gonna teach. So he's just there in his office getting his last minute things to get ready for tomorrow. He's just studying a little bit more. So yeah, you guys, so I hope you enjoy, have a blessed day, and I hope that you guys had a good 4th of July. So bye, you guys, see you on the next one.